Hello and a very warm welcome. Starting the broadcast with breaking developments coming in on a fast-paced news day. It's the time for Union Minister Kiren Rijiju to speak out. He has sent a message to the opposition leaders after several steps have been taken by the government to address the issues and concerns of youth of the country. Now, Union Minister is asking, why is the opposition still refraining from holding discussions on the floor of the House? That's the latest development coming in. Remember, opposition has been adamant that irrespective of everything else that is being done or not, their primary demand remains Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. They are adamant that any further discussion on the floor of the House, any further debate on the floor of the House is preconditioned only on Dharmendra Pradhan's exit from the Union Cabinet. But on the other hand, this comes right after a fresh round of talks between the union ministers. You see those visuals playing out on your screens where JP Nadda is seen interacting with the CJP representatives accompanied by another minister. And after that meeting, CJP came out to say that they made three demands. Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, compensation for those who have lost their lives after NEET paper leaks, as well as no action against the students. And what we have learned so far is that they have been told, as per the CJP by the government, that they have agreed in principle to at least the second and the third demand that has been made. There is another round of talks that is going to happen tomorrow. But even as CJP has come forward for negotiations, we already know that Sonam Wangchuk has been convinced. He now trusts the government's assurances. The opposition continues to draw its red line at Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Listen in to what Kiren Rijiju is saying now.
अब तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने दिखा दिया कि वो बहस में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है एक्चुअली. अब जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे और प्रोटेस्ट करने वालों का जो सबसे प्रमुख चेहरा है सोनम वांगचुक जी, उन्होंने भी अनशन तोड़ के अपने बात रख दिया कि अब चर्चा होना चाहिए. मेरे ख्याल से अब इसको राजनीतिकरण करके फायदा नहीं है. हम लोगों को ठोस कदम कैसे उठाना चाहिए छात्रों का भविष्य के लिए, इस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट once again to Rahul Gandhi ji and all the opposition members that better sense should prevail, that you cannot indefinitely create trouble in the parliament to prevent discussion. It's wasting the time of all the members.
Sabyasachi joins us for more on this. Sabyasachi, the government now saying we have given you long-term solutions. We are also engaging with the representatives of the CJP. Wangchuk, we have already spoken to. Why are you still indefinitely stalling the work on the House? Have we seen any signs of the opposition relenting or their demand?
Well, see, the opposition won't give up on their protest. The opposition would continue to raise slogans, would continue to disrupt the House. Today itself, the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, had made things very clear that there are three demands. The number one is the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. The second is action against police officials who were seen attacking the youth or the students. And the third will be better reforms and also no action on the students and the youth. Now, Rahul Gandhi has said until and unless Dharmendra Pradhan resigns, there is no question of sitting together with the opposition party, discussing or talking with the central government. So the opposition is extremely adamant on the fact that only after the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan there's going to be any talk or discussion with the central government, whereas the central government had tried to reach to different floor leaders of different political parties to make sure on Monday when this bill comes in with several new provisions, the bill can be cleared within the House. But the opposition says that the bill itself was brought in 2024 itself, but nothing concrete has been done. So the opposition maintains the fact that the problem is not the bill, but the problem is with the intent of the central government. On the other hand, we have seen whether it is Dr. Jitendra Singh or JP Nadda, in fact, they have said that we are open for dialogues. and we are open for dialogues with an open mind. But there are certain concerns from the centre that the opposition are continuing to politicize the entire matter. In fact, what the opposition feels that since the students are on the ground, they are protesting on the street.
Yes.
So it is important that the opposition parties also come down to the street and carry out their agitation.
But the protests on the street will not yield any results till they talk to the government, which the centre is saying they should do on the floor of the House. On Monday is that all crucial bill going to be tabled. What will the opposition do? How will they react? It remains to be seen. But right now, listen into Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, who also expressed his opinion on the latest round of talks between the government and the CJP.
कैबिनेट ब्रीफिंग तो हमारा आईएनपी मंत्री देंगे ना।
सर क्या एक खबर आ रही है कि बिल आएगा एंटी पेपर
वो वाली कर रहा हूँ।
सर पीएम साहब ने रात में वीडियो जारी किया था। उन्होंने कहा कि एक हम स्टिंग जो है सो बिल लाने जा रहे हैं और सोमवार को लाया जाएगा। क्या अपील कर रहे हैं?
5 दिन तक पार्लियामेंट में नीट एग्जाम पेपर लीक को लेकर के चर्चा नहीं कर पाए। हम तो आज भी फिर से अपील किया है। तो अभी जो महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय कैबिनेट ने लिया है उसका ब्रीफिंग हमारा आईएनबी मंत्री जी ब्रीफिंग करेंगे। हमने आज भी राहुल गांधी जी खुद सदन में थे तो हमने कहा कि आप बहस तुरंत शुरू कराइए। अब तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने दिखा दिया कि वो बहस में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है एक्चुअली। अब जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे और प्रोटेस्ट करने वालों का जो सबसे प्रमुख चेहरा है सोनम वांगचुक जी, उन्होंने भी अनशन तोड़ के अपने बात रख दिया कि अब चर्चा होना चाहिए। मेरे ख्याल से अब इसको राजनीतिकरण करके फायदा नहीं है। हम लोगों को ठोस कदम कैसे उठाना चाहिए छात्रों का भविष्य के लिए, इस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए। द फ्यूचर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट एंड हाउ वी कैन एंश्योर proper system and very strong system in place for the future of the student. This has to be our priority. So by disrupting the parliamentary procedures and house, it will not yield any result. I would like to request once again to Rahul Gandhi ji and all the opposition members that better sense should prevail, that you cannot.
The point that Parliamentary Affairs Minister was trying to make was that the Parliament has now lost 5 straight days to disruption, and the reason remains exactly the same. The opposition, led by Congress, refusing to let the House function unless Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan resigns, irrespective of everybody else being open to negotiations. Sonam Wangchuk already saying that he has faith in the assurances that have been given by the government. So what happened today? Even before proceedings began this morning, opposition MPs had gathered at the Makar Dwar holding placards, one of them reading Pradhan ko barkhast karo, which basically translates into that Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, should be sacked. Inside the House, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju made yet another appeal to the opposition parties, asking them to at least participate in debate on NEET that they themselves have been demanding. But that appeal, like everyone before it this week, fell on deaf ears as opposition members kept up their demands of resignation instead. Even Jagdambika Pal, who was in the chair as the temporary presiding officer, could not persuade them to engage in an actual discussion. And with the disruption showing no signs of ending, Lok Sabha was eventually adjourned for the entire day.
की प्रतिवेदन में था उल्लिखित सदस्यों की सभा को बैठकों से अनुपस्थित रहने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। क्या सभा समिति द्वारा की गई सिफारिश के अनुरूप अनुमति प्रदान करती है? यदि हाँ, सदस्यों को तदनुसार सूचित किया जाएगा। आइटम नंबर 7 श्री डॉक्टर अमर सिंह जी।
ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर, मैं राहुल गांधी जी से अनुरोध करता हूं, आप अपने कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथियों को थोड़ा समझा दीजिए और बाकी कई पार्टीज के एमपीज भी निजी तौर पर सबने अपना मत रखा है कि चर्चा होना चाहिए। मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आज 5वां दिन है, हम इसमें एक अच्छा सार्थक बहस क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं। आप कंडीशन मत डालिए, हम चर्चा शुरू कर सकते हैं आज भी।
मेरी बात सुन ले, मैं दे रहा हूँ समय, मेरी बात सुन ले, मैं समय दे रहा हूँ, मेरी बात सुन ले राहुल जी। माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी ने नेता प्रतिपक्ष का नाम लिया है और उन्होंने आग्रह क्या किया है? उन्होंने आग्रह किया है कि आज जिस नीट की परीक्षा को लेकर के उस पर चर्चा आप चाहते हैं, उस पर सरकार ने क्या कार्रवाई की, यहाँ तक कि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी एक सख्त कानून बनाने की बात कही और आपने कैबिनेट की बात कही। तो उनका आग्रह है कि सदन में आप चर्चा चाहते हैं, सरकार चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, मेरी बात सुन ले, चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, तो आप उस चर्चा के लिए बिल्कुल सरकार की तरफ से अगर चर्चा तैयार है, चर्चा करने की बात है, तो मैं आप सबसे आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, काइंडली टेक योर सीट। मैं आप अपनी सीट पे जाए, मैं राहुल जी को अलाउ करूँगा। आप काइंडली क्लियर द पैसेज, आप क्लियर कर दें।
You heard Jagdambika Pal there saying that I will allow Rahul Gandhi to speak. But if there was any doubt about where the opposition's priorities lie, Rahul Gandhi cleared them up himself the moment he walked out of the house. He said that there will be no discussion until Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. He reiterated the other demands of students and called for an apology by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Unleashed brutality against students. But notice what's missing from the list of demand. Any actual willingness to either debate the issue or suggest any solutions.
हमसे कहा कि हमें चर्चा करनी है। जब मैं उसका जवाब देना चाह रहा था, फिर मुझसे माइक ले लिया, मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दी। मगर मैं क्लियरली कहना चाहता हूं, जो ऑपोजिशन का स्टांस है, 3 मांगे हैं स्टूडेंट्स की। पहली मांग, करप्ट एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर हैज टू गो। सेकंड, जिन लोगों ने स्टूडेंट्स पे आक्रमण किया, मारा, उन पर एक्शन, अकाउंटेबिलिटी। और थर्ड, दैट प्राइम मिनिस्टर शुड अपोलोजाइज to the students. These are the 3 conditions. We are not going to have any conversation, any discussion before Mr. Pradhan is sacked.
Well, Rahul Gandhi walked out of Parliament refusing any discussion until Pradhan's resignation. His mother and Congress Parliamentary Party chairperson Sonia Gandhi took the fight outside the house altogether in an opinion piece published in a national daily. She accused the Modi government of responding to student protests with, in her words, cowardice and wanton cruelty, and alleged that the police action on the 20th of July was reminiscent of the crackdown during CAA-NRC protests of 2020. She went on to renew the attack on Pradhan directly, accusing him of dismissing the Parliamentary Standing Committee's recommendations on the NTA simply because the panel had opposition members on it, and said his refusal to resign only deepening the public anger. Meanwhile, the government's response came sharp and direct. Union ministers Bhupendra Yadav and Arjun Ram Meghwal are both asking the opposition why are they running away from a debate when the government has opened all doors for dialogue.
लगातार सरकार संवेदनशील है, वार्ता कर रही है। आज भी वार्ता होने के आसार हैं और हम तो विपक्ष से यही प्रार्थना करेंगे पुनः कि संसद की कार्रवाई को चलने दें। अगर आप चाहते हैं पेपर लीक पे चर्चा सबसे पहले, तो वो भी हमारे संसदीय कार्य मंत्री किरण रिजिजू जी ने बोल दिया कि पेपर लीक पे भी चर्चा हम सबसे पहले कर सकते हैं। अब चर्चा का विषय है ना, तो कंडीशन क्यों लगा रहे हैं? चर्चा करिए और टोटलिटी में करिए, ये सब चर्चा करिए ना, देश के सामने आएगा। यही सरकार चाहती है।
अगर उनको कुछ बोलना है तो सदन में बोलना चाहिए, तभी हम वो ऑथेंटिक बात उनकी समझेंगे। जब वो आएंगे स्टेटमेंट करने, तो उनको रात के 12 बजे करने के बजाय दिन में पार्लियामेंट में आके अगर वो कहे क्या कहना चाहते हैं, हम देखेंगे।
How will anybody be speaking on the floor of the House when the opposition decides not to talk or simply walk out remains the big question. We'll keep tracking developments. A quick breather for now.